Himalayas are always very mysterious and interesting place for all people. We're going to discuss all about Himalayas in total 2 episodes, and this is going to be the trailer of first episode. So this is Yes Patel and I am welcoming you to this podcast and continuing this novel series. I hope you are liking this series and we will continue this series with some interesting mysteries. Yeti. One word which is very mysterious. How it's mysterious? Let me tell you something. Yeti is described as very large ape. And how it is mysterious? Because no one knows how it exists. I mean, its existence is already mystery. No one has any proofs of seeing this particular animal. Yeti is very large creature which has like brown, grey or white hair, and it is said that it has very large and sharp teeth. There are some proofs about Yetis, and I'm going to share one of them, okay, in this particular trailer, so that you can capture the idea of this Yeti being. In 2014, the study and this research and all this thing arranged by one geneticist uh, named Brian Sykes. He researched about these Yeti beings and all these Himalaya things. He studied 30 hair samples brought from different sites of Himalayas, and all samples are almost known by them. I mean, it was very popular creatures of all time. But one of them was very suspicious. They continued their research for this particular hair sample, but they found out that it may be some kind of weird polar bear species. After some time, they found out that they have mistaken, very big mistake. And the mistake was that the suspicious genetic hair sample was actually very different. It was completely different animal, completely different species, which was not found yet. And they claimed that this species can be Yeti because they firstly mistaken and by mistakenly uh, counted it as a polar bear, and polar bear is very you know big creature. It has very sharp large teeth, so this all some similarity matches with Yetis also. We will talk about Yetis and some incidents about uh, them in our main podcast, which is going to of course release next Monday, so you can get ready for that. And also I'm telling you that uh, in this episode we are not going to just talk about Yeti. It's not limited to that. We're going to discuss some very important location which is just crazy. They have some crazy interesting facts. We will share you some deep researches and we will talk about it in deep. Let me tell you one simple thing about that particular place. So I'm going to actually introduce you with one of that strange places which we're going to discuss in our main podcast. What if I say that one temple will suddenly disappear and it will appear in future at another place? Strange, right? We're going to completely discuss about that topic. It's known as Josimat and it's very mysterious. These were the some mysteries of Himalaya places and all. There are many more about this place and many more mysteries of Himalayas, which we're going to just discuss in our main podcast. So get ready for that. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked the trailer of this particular podcast. So far so good. We have covered very nice topics in this novel series, and I hope we will do much more in future. So thank you so much for listening me, and I'm signing off. Thank you.